Hey everybody, welcome back to Dr. G Cooks. Tonight we're going to make a really simple dish. My cousin was over and I made her a really simple salad and she loved it and she insisted I put this on as part of the program. So a little shout out to my cousin Leslie, and tonight we're just going to make a simple caprese salad. Now, all of us have had caprese salad at many different Italian restaurants before, and it's always super boring, right? It's just little round cutouts of fresh mozzarella interspaced by a round slice of tomato with some basil on top, and then a little Italian dressing or olive oil and balsamic. So we're gonna make this salad a little more elegant, a little more presentable, and a little tastier. So we'll get right to the ingredient list. First, you're going to need some really good heirloom tomatoes if you can find them. And the key to making this salad is having some asymmetry with your tomatoes. You don't want to just have a beautiful, perfect, corporate grown red tomato. You want these beautiful heirlooms. You want different sizes. So I have a big one, what I would call medium, and then some small cherry tomatoes, heirloom variety, and some nice color too. You definitely want some good fresh basil like we have here. And you're going to want some good fresh mozzarella, which I'll pull out of the refrigerator when we make this. And then you're going to need some good olive oil, some good balsamic vinegar, and good balsamic glaze like we've used in some of the other episodes. And that's it. I'm going to show you how to put this together. Simple dish. You can have it together in about 10 minutes and you're going to love it. So thanks again for watching Dr. G Cooks, and let's get this dish put together, shall we? So rather than show you step by step how to do this, I'm just going to show you how to put this together because it's such a simple dish, but it won't look that simple. So you can see we've taken our large tomato and sliced it, the medium one, same thing, and then with the small tomatoes, some of them I'll cut in half and some I'll leave whole. And then with your basil, take about 5 or 6 leaves and chiffonade them so they're very thinly sliced, and then find some other smaller leaves off the bunch and leave those whole, okay? And then you have your fresh mozzarella here. So what I like to do is find a nice plate, and you're just gonna asymmetrically distribute your tomatoes, and you want to layer these a little bit, okay? And then go ahead and start off putting on some of the basil, just layer it on there, not too much. And then we'll throw in some little ones. You can be somewhat artistic here. Put it wherever you want. Lay in the big ones or the little ones. You saw I just dropped the tomato on the floor. So no 5-second rules here with Dr. G Cooks. Hits the floor. Sorry, it's probably gonna hit the trash. Anyway, so that's the beginnings of it. And then I'll take one of my mozzarella balls and be sure that you just tear it. Don't slice this stuff. It tastes better for some reason to me when it's torn. Maybe it's the texture. It also looks better on the salad. So you can see how this is coming together. And just tear it in pieces and distribute it around. And then throw in some more of the smaller tomatoes. And then once again, layer that with some of the basil. Okay. And then put on some whole leaves. And then kind of reassess what you want. Like I think I want a little bit more cheese on here, because for me, cheese is the best part of this dish. So I'll put a lot of cheese on here. Okay, so I like that. And once that's done, let's go ahead and we'll drizzle some olive oil on top. Okay, be kind of generous with your olive oil. And after the olive oil, your balsamic, drizzle that around. And then finally, some dollops of glaze. And just spread this around. Little piles of glazed balsamic. And seriously, that's it. You can top it with a little bit of salt and pepper, And really, that's the dish. It's beautiful, it's tasty, comes together just like you saw, incredibly fast and easy, and your guests are going to really love this.